Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet braid update on this hair. This is the Freetress Yaky Bounce in 16 inches in the color 1B. I have been wearing this hair for 3 weeks and I promised you guys that I would do an update. So we are here to do the update today. If you guys have not seen the installation tutorial part for this style, go ahead and head over to the other video, watch that one first and then come back, okay? Because we're not gonna be doing any type of unboxing or anything like that on this channel. So if you wanna see how it looks originally when you first install it, click on that video. I'll link it in the description box and in the cards for you guys as well. And then also, girl, if you like my robe, like, this one is sold out. I'm not even gonna hold you, but you might be interested in other things from my store. This is from ajayofficial.com. It is my loungewear store. I'll link it in the description box down below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump right into this update. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with me just kind of like fixing up my crochet braids. So I did a post on the community tab, a picture of me with my crochet braids and asking you guys to put any questions that you have about this style in the comment section below that picture. So I did go over that. I have my little notebook right here so I can make sure that I answer all those questions that you guys asked. So let's go ahead and just kind of like get into it, right? So here we have the hair, girl. Like, honestly, highly impressed. Okay, like I honestly really like this hair. Today, is it today? I believe tomorrow. Tomorrow makes 3 weeks that I've been wearing this hair and it still looks so good. Like it looks so good. Like really it's just my leave out that is like frizzy. Like I haven't been going anywhere, so like I haven't been like doing anything to it, but I've told you guys before that my natural hair does not stay straight. It doesn't stay straight. So here it is. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go over it a little bit with a little bit of heat and do my edges and stuff, but this is how it looks, you know, the hair itself. So let's go ahead and talk about products on the hair. So I have not put any products on this hair at all. Zero. Like literally I took it out of the pack, I installed it, and that was it. I only have applied like some products to my leave out, like not to the actual hair. So I will say that the hair, I don't know, is it greasy? Maybe like at the top, it's like a little greasy, but I feel like this hair, look, this hair really reminds me of just wearing like a synthetic wig. Like that's the type of like texture I feel like that you get with this. It's really not tangled and you can brush it as well. So I've been using a paddle brush. This is the one I have. The handle is broken, but it still works and I have like multiple of these. So when you are brushing the hair, just make sure that you don't go like all the way in because of course you will end up like getting the knots and that will be a problem. But if you just take it and just brush it like this, you guys, do you see how it's just gliding through the hair? So you can brush it every day. Someone did ask, have I applied heat to it? No, I don't. Can you? I don't even know if you can apply heat. I mean, I guess you can on like a very low setting, the same way you would any type of other synthetic wig, but no, I have not applied any heat to the hair at all. So you see when you brush it, it looks so nice. So the next thing that I want to talk about is the nighttime routine. So for this hair, you could probably wrap it if you want to wrap it. You could do that. I have been doing pin curls. So normally I do, I don't know, I feel like 4 will be like the best, like 2 in the front, 2 in the back. But honestly, I've just been doing 2. So I've really just been parting my hair down the middle. I have it on both sides like this, and then I'll take this, wrap it like this, take a bobby pin, and that's what I've been doing. So I've been having one on each side, put my bonnet on, go to sleep. Real simple, okay? Like it's literally this hair, like you would think because it's straight that it would require like a lot of maintenance, but I mean, to do 2 little quick pin curls, doing 2 little quick pin curls is faster than like doing 6 like twist when you have curly hair. So, oh, I didn't even see, I pulled one out. See, so I think I pulled this out in the back when I was brushing. So I pulled out a piece right here when I was brushing the back. So just be careful. Like I said, if you get close to like you know, your braids and like your knots, you're gonna pull it out. But as you guys can see, that was actually the first one that I've ever pulled out the whole time that I've been brushing the hair. So I pretty much brush it just like, you know, whenever I'm getting ready to go somewhere. And it looks really, really good. Someone asked, will this style look natural with no leave out? I would say yes. As long as you do like the invisible like knot method in the front of the hair, so that you don't have those knots coming through, you shouldn't have any problems with it. I really don't have a lot of leave out. These are really like my edges. Like it's very, very minimal, like extremely minimal leave out. So you can definitely get away with not doing it. The only reason that I did it is because, I mean, I guess it's kind of like a catch-22. Like I took it out. I did a little bit of leave out for one, because I felt like it would look a little bit more natural because the hair is straight. For two, I told you guys that my hair had been kind of breaking off in the front from having the weight of like the crochet braid hair on it. So, but then it's kind of like, okay, but I'm applying heat to it, but I don't apply heat every day. I probably applied heat 3 times to my leave out over 3 weeks. And honestly, that's because my hair doesn't stay straight. So if yours stays straight and you know, tie it down at night, then you should be good to go. Like you should not be applying heat to your hair every single day, like to your leave out every single day, you know? Someone also asked, how long will this last? So I would say, like I said, tomorrow is going to be 3 weeks, a minimum of a month. Okay, a minimum of 1 month, maybe even like 6 weeks, you guys, because this hair, like I'm really impressed by how it hasn't like matted up, you know? Like even in the back, it's not really matted. So I'm highly impressed by that. That's why I'm like, I really think that you could wear this quite a while. Yeah, quite a while. So a minimum of a month, but maybe even up to 6 weeks if you do, you know, like pin curl it at night and, you know, just do your best to keep up with the maintenance. Someone else asked, would I do this style again based on like how long it took to install, like the maintenance, upkeep, and all that type of stuff? Yes, I would do it again. Crochet braid styles tend to take me, I don't know, it takes me about 2 hours to braid my hair down. I usually do that ahead of time. The day I did this style, I did everything in 1 day, which normally I do not do. I braided down my hair, I separated the hair, and I installed the hair all in 1 day. So I would recommend to kind of break it up. Would be better. So I would say go ahead and like braid your hair down the day before, pull the hair. If you guys watched the original video, if you have not, I will link it in the description box. I might even pop it in the cards for y'all, but definitely, of course, go check out that video so you guys can, you know, see the whole detailed tutorial and know how the hair looks when it's, you know, being unboxed and all that type of stuff. But yeah, so it took me about 2 hours or so to braid my hair down. It's gonna take about an hour to probably pull the hair and separate it. I really recommend that you guys do buy that braiding like wooden thing so that you can just kind of like hang your pieces up. That's really gonna make you move a lot faster. And then also, oh, I don't know, it just took me so long. And then by the hair being straight, once I did the whole install, I had to pretty much go in and try to fix up the parting area. So like, although I did this kind of like in an invisible knot method here, all this top part, because the hair is straight, you can see your braids. So you really have to go like look in the mirror, hold up a mirror in front of you, look at the back so you can see what's going on, and take the time to install extra pieces all at the top to make sure your braids are covered. If you don't care, then, you know, that's you. But I like my crochet braids to look a certain way. So that did take extra time for me to go through and do that. So that's something that you have to think about with straight hair. Usually with curly hair, I may install a few extra pieces once I'm done, but I don't usually have to go through like in depth and like really, you know, like really add a lot of hair. And I added hair even after I finished the first style. Like a few days later, I was like, let me go in and add a few more pieces. But even so, I still really enjoyed this. This hair gives me the opportunity to be able to wear a straight style without wearing a wig and without using my natural hair. So some of you may ask, well, why would you go through all of this work when you can just put on a wig? Because I can't wear wigs. I suffer from migraines. Wigs give me migraines immediately. If you guys see me do wigs or like do a wig review or something, it's literally like just for fun. that's it. Like, get a cute picture and that's it. I can't actually wear the wig out anywhere. So yeah, that's the main reason for that. Also, why you may ask, why wouldn't I just flat iron my natural hair, just go get a silk press or something? Because my hair doesn't stay straight. If you guys watched my I want to relax my natural hair after 8 years video, then you already know about that. And if you don't, baby, go watch the video. I'll link it in the comments, not in the comments, in the description box down below for you. So yeah, those are the reasons that basically I don't get to have straight hair, and it really, really upsets me. So I was really, really excited to try this out. So if you guys have similar problems, then you already know, okay? So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and just lay my edges. I'm gonna be using a new edge control today. I'm really, really excited about it. And it is going to have its own separate video. So if you guys wanna know about this edge control, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you can be notified when I upload that video. So let's go ahead and just fast forward through this, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Hey guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and just laid my edges. I did my makeup and everything. So yeah, girl, this is the final look of the hair after 3 weeks. I mean, it's very much giving stunning. The one thing I did not mention before is the shedding. So because this hair is straight, because you are able to brush it with the paddle brush, you're able to actually move your fingers through it. If you do this, I pulled out one piece, but I did just brush the hair out. So keep that in mind. So you will have a little bit of shedding. It's really not a big deal, y'all. Just, you know, get it and then throw it in the trash, and that's it. With curly hair, you don't really have this problem because it's curly, and curly crochet braid hair, you should not be combing your fingers through it, okay? It doesn't work that way, no ma'am. But it's perfectly fine to do it for straight hair, and I feel like it looks very, very good after 3 weeks. I'm highly impressed with the hair. I would definitely try out this style again. The only thing is, the cons are basically, keep in mind how much time this is going to take to install, that you will have to, you know, take some time to kind of like finagle your parting area and make it, you know, just look really, really good and seamless. And then also keep in mind, if you're going to do leave out, or if you're not going to do leave out, that could be a con to some people. And then of course there is going to be some shedding as well. I honestly have not experienced too much matting. Of course, as you continue to wear the hair for longer periods of time, you may notice some matting, but because you are able to brush it out, I mean, you know, I would love to see what this hair would look like in 6 weeks. If it wasn't my birthday and I didn't have to change my hair, I would keep this one in for y'all. I would keep this one in and just see like how long we could really stretch it, because I'm not ready for it to go. I'm not ready for it to go. I'm really not, but I'm excited to do something new for my birthday, because I mean, you know, you gotta just have like a fresh scalp, fresh style. Like, even though this still looks good, like we gotta switch it up anyway. So y'all be sure to definitely go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel. If you guys didn't know, I have 2 channels, so definitely go ahead and subscribe to my other one so y'all can keep up with the vlogs. Y'all can see, you know, birthday festivities and all that kind of stuff over there. The channel is India Ajay Everyday. I will link it in the description box down below and in the cards. And that is gonna be it for today's video, you guys. If you have any additional questions, anything I forgot to mention I didn't discuss. Oh, someone did ask me one quick thing about washing the hair. Are you able to wash it or anything like that? I never wash my crochet braid styles. I never wash the hair itself. I never wash my own hair. Anytime I'm wearing a crochet braid style, I wear my styles for up to a month. So do what you will with that information, but it's up to you. Is this one good for swimming? No, baby, don't go swimming in straight hair. I don't think anybody asked that, but somebody might. Don't go swimming in this. Don't get this one wet. Like, it's, I mean, if you want to test it out and just let us know what happens, but I mean, it's not going to be under my recommendation. Okay, so now that really is it for this video. If you guys have anything else, leave it in the comment section down below. Y'all already know I'm going to get back to y'all. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my other channel, girl, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye.